Ever seen something rolling down the interstate and thought, that's not a motorhome, it's a damn freight train? That was my exact reaction the moment I spotted the 2026 Kenworth T2000 motorhome coming straight at me. This isn't just RV luxury, it's industrial-grade power on wheels. Welcome to Engine Explorer, where we break down the machines that move the world. Today, we're going full throttle into one of the most outrageous powerhouses ever turned into a motorhome, the 2026 Kenworth T2000. At first glance, it still has that classic long-nose Kenworth semi-profile, but it's been refined and reimagined into a luxury RV platform. What really sets it apart, though, is what's hiding underneath the massive cab, a 15-liter Cummins X15 Performance Series diesel engine. Yeah, that's the same kind of power plant you'd find in a commercial hauler. Not downsized, not detuned. Full strength, we're talking up to 605 horsepower and a jaw-dropping 250 pound-feet of torque. Let that sink in. This motorhome has more torque than most construction equipment. It's not just built to cruise, it's built to dominate. Whether you're towing a boat, a second trailer, or climbing steep grades with a full water tank and satellite dish in tow, this thing does it without breaking a sweat. The engine is mated to an 18-speed Eaton Ultra Shift Plus automatic transmission, optimized for RV use with smoother shifting and gear. Selections based on load and terrain. Behind the wheel, you're not just driving a luxury vehicle, you're commanding a mechanical colossus. The moment you touch the throttle, there's this deep rumble that tells you, yeah, I can pull anything. Kenworth has done more than just throw a big engine under a shell. The entire chassis has been restructured for comfort and control. Active air suspension adjusts automatically based on weight and road conditions. Custom cooling systems ensure long-haul reliability, even when you're pushing this thing up mountain passes or through desert highways. And here's the kicker. This motorhome doesn't sacrifice comfort for performance. Inside, it's loaded. Full smart home integration, radiant heated floors, memory foam mattresses, a washer-dryer combo, and an onboard 12 kW generator that can run off the same diesel supply. You're basically piloting a luxury hotel suite with the pulling power of a Freightliner. Now let's talk fuel economy, because obviously, this isn't your typical Sprinter van. It gets around 7 to 9 miles per gallon, depending on weight and terrain. But for something this size with this kind of capability, that's impressive, and it has a 300-gallon fuel tank. So your range is insane. This isn't your dad's RV, it's not even your rich uncle's RV, this is a new class entirely. Kenworth and their custom RV partners have created something bold, brutal and borderline ridiculous, and we're here for it. If you want your RV to feel like a king's fortress and pull like a freight train,